Imagine typing something like an astronaut drinking tea on the moon, and within a few seconds, AI creates a crazy realistic image for you. No Photoshop, no drawing skills, and no complicated software. You just type a sentence and the AI turns that idea into an image. It honestly feels like magic. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 amazing AI image generators that people are using right now to create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, artwork, and even marketing graphics. Some of these tools are completely free, and some of them are so powerful that they are changing how designers work. Before we start, I'm curious about something. Have you ever tried an AI image generator before? If you have, take a second and comment the name of the tool below. I always like seeing what tools you guys are using. Alright, let's get into the list. At number 10, we have Crayon. Some of you might remember this tool from a few years ago when it was called Dolly and went viral on the internet. Crayon is one of the simplest AI image generators out there. You just type something like a dog wearing sunglasses driving a car, and the tool will generate multiple AI images in a few seconds. Now, the images are not as realistic as some of the newer AI tools we'll talk about later in this video, but it's still a really fun tool to experiment with, especially because it's completely free. It's a great place to start with if you're just curious about how AI image generation works. Actually, think about this for a second. If you could generate any random image right now, what would it be? Take a moment and drop your idea in the comments because some of those prompts might actually be hilarious. Coming in at number 9 is Dream Studio. This tool is powered by Stable Diffusion, which is one of the most popular open source AI image models in the world. What makes Stable Diffusion interesting is that the level of control it gives you. You can adjust things like the creativity level, image quality, resolution, and artistic style. Some advanced users even run Stable Diffusion on their own computer, which allows them to generate unlimited AI images without using online services. Because of that flexibility, a lot of developers and AI artists prefer this model. By the way, if you want me to make a full tutorial on how to use Stable Diffusion, let me know in the comments, and if enough people ask for it, I'll definitely make that video. At number 8, we have Playground AI. This tool has become very popular among content creators and social media designers because it allows you to generate a large number of images every day for free. People use it to create things like Instagram posts, posters, YouTube thumbnails, and marketing graphics. One really cool feature is that Playground AI also lets you edit AI images. For example, you can remove objects, replace backgrounds, or expand parts of an image using AI. Because of these features, many people describe it as a mini Photoshop powered by artificial intelligence. At number 7, we have Leonardo AI. This platform has been growing extremely fast and is especially popular among game developers and digital artists. Leonardo AI is great for generating fantasy artwork, game characters, concept designs, and cinematic style visuals. Many artists use it to quickly generate character ideas or environment design for game and creative projects. The level of detail it can produce is honestly impressive. Quick question for you guys. Would you actually use AI to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos? Comment yes or no below. I am curious to see what most people think about that. At number 6, we have Microsoft Designer Image Creator. This tool is very beginner friendly. You simply type your prompt and the AI generates AI images in seconds. It's especially useful for people who need quick graphics for presentations, social media posts, or simple design projects. Now, because it is connected with Microsoft's ecosystem, many users find it convenient for everyday design tasks without learning complex design software. At number 5, we have Adobe Firefly. This AI tool is created by Adobe, the company behind Photoshop and Illustrator, so it's designed with professional creators in mind. One of the biggest advantages of Firefly is that it's built for commercial use, meaning businesses can safely use the generated images in their projects. Firefly also integrates directly with Adobe products like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Express, which allows designers to generate an image and immediately start editing it using professional tools. At number 4, we have MidJourney. If you've ever seen those insanely beautiful AI images on Instagram or Twitter, there's a very good chance they were created with MidJourney. This tool is famous for producing cinematic visuals, fantasy artwork, and ultra-realistic scenes. Many artists consider MidJourney one of the best AI image generators when it comes to pure visual quality. Sometimes the image it produces looks so realistic that people think they're actual photographs. By the way, have you ever seen an image online and thought it was real at first? If that has happened to you, comment "I thought it was real." I want to see how many people have experienced that. At number 3, we have Dolly, which was developed by OpenAI. Dolly is known for its ability to understand detailed prompts and turn them into creative images. Many content creators use Dolly for blog images, thumbnails, story illustrations, and social media content because it does a great job turning ideas into visuals. At number 2, we have ChatGPT's image generator. What makes this tool so powerful is that it combines conversation and image generation in the same place. Instead of just generating one image and stopping there, you can talk to the AI and refine the image step by step. For example, you can ask it to make the image more cinematic, add sunset lighting, change the background, or adjust the style. The AI will update the image based on your instructions. Because of this flexibility, many creators are now using it to generate YouTube thumbnails, book illustrations, marketing graphics, and social media visuals. Finally, at number 1, we have Google Gemini's Nano Banana, which is one of the newest AI image generators that has been getting a lot of attention recently. It focuses not only on generating images from text, but also on editing images with simple prompts. For example, you can upload a photo and tell the AI to change the background, adjust lighting, or even combine multiple images together. It can even produce images up to 4K resolution depending on the settings. Nano Banana keeps character and scene consistency, which makes it very useful for creators who want to generate a series of images for storytelling, marketing visuals, or social media content. Now, I'm curious about something. Have you heard about Nano Banana before this video, or is this the first time you are hearing about it? Take a second and comment "heard it before" or "first time" below. I would love to know how many people already know about it. So, those were 10 powerful AI image generators that you should definitely check out. AI image technology is improving incredibly fast, and it's already changing how creators, designers, and businesses produce visual content. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI image generator from this list impressed you the most? Take a second and comment your answer below because I always enjoy reading your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about AI tools, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.